bossa nova. Okay, from the gent's perspective, basic step, you're going to start left foot goes left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the bossa nova, there's a change of direction or a tap, possibly on the 2, but we don't tend to step. So 1, nothing, 3, 4. 1, nothing, 3, 4. 1, nothing, 3, 4. 1, nothing, 3, 4. We're going to take those into bossa nova whisk. So you're going to step to the side on your left foot and then back with the right foot and replace. 3, 4, left, 3, 4, right. Backwards each time. Backwards, 3, 4, side, back, back, side, back and side, back and. Okay, we're going to do those rocks and do them from the side so you can see where your partner will be in relation to you. She's going to be moving on her right foot, you're going to be moving forward on your left, she'll be going back on her right. So we're going to do forward, left foot, 3, 4, right foot, 3, 4, left foot, 3, 4, right foot, 3, 4, left foot, 3, 4, right foot, 3, 4, left foot, 3, 4, right foot, 3, 4. When I say left foot, stepping on the left foot, not the foot that's swinging. And do those chassis again that we did. So again, nothing on the 2 except for a change of direction. So we're going to go diagonally, slightly diagonally on your left foot. 1, a little bit of turn. 3, 4, 1, little bit of turn. 3, 4, 1, little bit of turn. 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. It's about a quarter. 3, 4, 3, 4, back. 3, 4, 3, 4. With your partner, she'll be going diagonally back on her right foot. You're going diagonally forward, and you'll be doing 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to do some zigzags. So it's just forward and back. I'll do these facing you and sideways. Step, 3, 4, step, 3, 4, step and wait. Turn on the 3, 4, step and wait. 3, 4, no turn here, step and turn. 3, 4, step. 3, 4, step. 3, 4, step. 3, 4. With your partner, she'll be travelling back on her right foot. So we're travelling diagonally here, diagonally, quarter turn each time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No turn here. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, I'll try and put those together with the lady when we're all back together. But for now, I'll do those from the lady's perspective and we'll see how you manage to put them together with each other. Okay.